Welcome back to WizzKidz TV. Let's match these vehicle puzzles together. Let's find the other part of the taxi. Do you see it anywhere? Is it this one? No, that doesn't look right. How about this one? No. How about this one? Does this look right to you? Yes, we've matched the taxi. Let's do another one. Let's find the other part of the helicopter. Maybe it's this one. No, that looks so silly. What about this? No. How about this one? Yes, we did it. We matched the helicopter together. Let's do the fire engine. Could it be this one? No, that's an airplane. What about this? We did it. Great job. Let's do some more. How about this is a motorcycle? Let's find the other part of the motorcycle. What about this? No, that's so silly. How about this one? No. Could it be this one? Yes, we did it. Motorcycle. Let's find the ambulance. Could it be this one? No. How about this one? Yes, this is the ambulance. Great job. Let's do this. Where's the other part of the truck? Could it be this? No. How about this? Yes, we found the truck. Well done. Let's do the airplane. Do you see the airplane anywhere? Could it be this one? No. How about this? Yes, we matched the airplane together. Well done. Let's do the police car next. Where is the police car? Do you see the police car anywhere? Over here? That's right. Well done. You did it. Police car. Let's do the bus. Do you see the green bus anywhere? Could it be this one? No. What about this? No. How about this one? Yes, we did it. You matched the bus. Well done. Let's do another one. Let's do the motorcycle. Is it this one? It's not a motorcycle. This is a bicycle. We matched the bicycle together. Let's do another one. We have two more vehicles. Let's match them together. Orange and orange. Do you know what this is? An excavator. That's right. We have one more. We have another one, a train. This is a train. Thank you so much for matching all the vehicles with me. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos. And we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.